Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So, what exactly is C1956? The official description is active suspension height sensor fault. In simple terms, your car's computer, specifically the vehicle dynamics module, or V, has lost communication with one or more of your ride height sensors. These sensors are crucial components of your air suspension system. They constantly measure the distance between the car's body and the suspension, telling the VDM when to inflate or deflate the air springs to keep the car level and provide that smooth, luxurious Lincoln ride. When the VDM can't get a signal from a sensor, it triggers this code and often defaults the suspension to a stiff, fail-safe mode. Let's talk about the symptoms. The most obvious one is the warning light on your dash. You might also notice your air compressor running more than usual, or not at all. The biggest giveaway, though, is the ride itself. The car might be sagging at one corner, sitting too high, or feel bouncy and uncomfortable. This happens because without accurate height data, the system can't make the right adjustments. So, what causes this communication breakdown? There are a few common culprits. These sensors live in a harsh environment, exposed to water, salt, and road debris. Over time, moisture can get inside, corroding the internal electronics and causing them to fail. They're mechanical parts too, with a moving arm that can wear out or break. Another very common cause is wiring. The wires running to the sensor can get damaged, chafed, or corroded. The connector itself is a frequent point of failure. The pins inside can get corroded, bent, or pushed back, leading to a poor connection. It is always a good idea to inspect the wiring harness carefully before you even think about replacing the sensor. Alright, let's get to the fix. First, you need to identify which sensor is causing the problem. A good diagnostic scan tool will usually tell you which corner is at fault: left front, right front, and so on. Is it full of green corrosion? If so, that's a huge red flag. You can try cleaning the connector pins with some electrical contact cleaner and a small brush. Sometimes, this is all it takes. If the wiring and connector look good, the next step is usually to test the sensor itself. You can do this with a multimeter. If they're the same part number. If the fault code follows the sensor to the new location, you've confirmed the sensor is bad. Replacing the sensor is pretty straightforward. It's usually held on by just one or two bolts, and the linkage arm pops off. After replacement, you'll need to clear the C1956 fault code with your scan tool. Then, it's crucial to perform a suspension calibration or trim height adjustment. This procedure tells the module the new baseline height for the new sensor. Skipping this step can result in the car not sitting level, even with a brand new part. And that's pretty much it. Following these steps will help you diagnose and fix the C1956 code and get your Lincoln riding smoothly again. It might seem intimidating, but with a little patience and the right approach, it's a very manageable repair. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more car repair guides. Drive safe, and I'll see you in the next one.